Good morning. My name is Þorgerður Katrín Gunnarsdóttir, coming from Iceland. Greetings from Iceland to you. It's good to be here in the NATO headquarters. I think we need now more unity than ever, and I would also say that unity is the center of gravity for the alliance. It's our biggest and most important strength, but it's hard work, and our transatlantic bonds must be kept strong, but it's also good to be realistic now during these times, and we are, from my point of view, we are seeing that NATO is inevitably changing, you could say so, but and we are seeing Europe stepping up, we are seeing Europe taking over more responsibility, more leadership, but I want to underline our most common strength is our transatlantic bond, and we have to keep that way. NATO is a transatlantic alliance, and we strongly support that.
Is Arctic a way of keeping that transatlantic alliance strong?
Excuse me?
Is Arctic Central?
Yes, I would say so. Absolutely. And we in Iceland, we have been. I've been a minister for over a year, responsible for foreign affairs and defense, and I've been here in this remarkable house advocating for more focus also on the northern flank, and Arctic Centre is doing exactly that, keeping the alliance strong in the North Atlantic and the Arctic area.
Do you think it's enough to satisfy the US administration?
I think it's an important signal. We are together in this. We are increasing surveillance and more military exercises there and missions. So yes, absolutely, that's a very strong signal that it's under the NATO umbrella. That is, from my point of view, also very important. That is done from NATO side, and also important for Iceland and security in all this region, important region. Maybe because of the word I said in the beginning, united. We are more, I think, from all the discussion, very heavy discussion, and we have been, I would say the alliance has been tested, especially in the beginning of the year, but we are now more united than in the beginning of the year, and it's not just the US and Denmark and Greenland that are focusing on enhancing the security in the North Atlantic. It's all the alliance, and that is really important. Thank you so much. Thank you. Excuse me? Yes. No, sadly for him, he is missing a good party, but of course, it's always better that the ministers attend here, but I will not describe it as a bad signal. We have, as I said, from the beginning of this year, we have been tested, but I think now the alliance is stronger than in the beginning of the year, and you know we are focusing now on the North Atlantic, but I want also to underline we cannot allow us to have a lesser focus on the eastern flank. Remember, Ukraine is fighting for Europe's freedom and sovereignty, so we have to support them and secure a long and just and lasting peace. Thank you so much.